In this video, I'll be showing how to do the penny trick on an Xbox 360. As you can see, this is a genuine Xbox 360. Got all the pieces that took them all apart. That's a disk drive. You just need a penny. A penny in here. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to get the pot and just scatter them right a little bit. Okay, just scatter them. Just everywhere. Come around to them. As you can see, this is the penny trick. And then basically you want to get the rest of the parts. You don't even plug it in. And then just go ahead and press the button, turn it on, and it works. Guaranteed, 100%. This should work. Okay, it's May and the penny trick. Okay, guaranteed, 100%. This will work. This is not a fake video. This will work. I've done it 50 times already, and trust me, it's worked. Everyone I know has done this penny trick, and it works fine. Perfect, brand new. It doesn't matter where they are. Just scatter them around a bit. Just mix it up a little bit. Okay. Hope this video works for you, and you should be up and running as soon as possible.